Dolphin. 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 It grows to a length of 6 to 13 feet or 1.8 to 4 meters. And it weighs from 330 to 1,100 pounds or 150 to 500 kilograms. It is highly intelligent with excellent echolocation abilities, social animals that live in pods. Dolphins are carnivores that eat fish, squid, and crustaceans. They swallow prey whole and use their teeth only to grip. Octopus. Octopus. It grows from 1 inch to 30 feet. It is measured in meters, 2.5 centimeters to 9 meters. Weight up to 600 pounds or 272 kilograms for the giant Pacific octopus. Octopus soft-bodied with 8 arms, 3 hearts, and blue blood. It can change color for camouflage. Octopuses use their beak to crack open shells and inject digestive enzymes into prey before sucking out the liquefied meat. Shark. Shark. Sharks are the second largest animals in the ocean. It grows to a length of 5 feet to 40 feet or 1.5 meters to 12 meters depending on species. Its weight, 100 pounds to 15 tons. Sharp cartilaginous skeleton, powerful jaws, and sharp senses, especially smell. Most sharks are carnivorous and tear chunks of flesh from prey using their serrated teeth. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Its size to 6 feet or 0.6 to 1.8 meters. And it weighs between 70 to 1,500 pounds, which depending on its species. Sea turtle has hard shell for protection and flipper-like limbs for swimming. Sea turtles are herbivorous or omnivorous, using their beak to scrape algae off rocks or cut through seagrass to eat. Seal. Seal. Seal grows from 3 to 7 feet or 1 to 2.1 meters. And its weight, 100 to 7,000 pounds or 45 to 3,200 kilograms. Seal is a streamlined body, webbed flippers, and thick blubber for insulation. Seals are carnivorous and use their teeth to catch and eat fish, squid, and crustaceans. Shrimp. Shrimp. Shrimp is a small animal in the ocean. It grows from 0.5 to 8 inches or 1.2 to 20 centimeters. Shrimp weighs 0.0 to 0.03 pounds measured in grams 10 to 15. It has a great exoskeleton, long antennae, and multiple legs for swimming and crawling. Shrimp are scavengers that feed by filtering particles or scraping food off surfaces. Lobster. Lobster. A lobster is a small animal in the ocean. It grows to a length of 8 to 24 inches or 20 to 61 centimeters. Lobster weight 1 to 44 pounds or 0.45 to 20 kilograms. Its body shape is a hard exoskeleton, large claws for defense and feeding, and long antennae. Lobsters use their claws to break apart prey and feed on mollusks, fish, and algae. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish It grows from 0.5 inches to 6 feet or 1 centimeter to 1.8 meters. Its weight, minimum 0.01 pounds and maximum 440 pounds. It is a gelatinous, bell-shaped body with tentacles containing stinging cells. Jellyfish sting and paralyze small prey with their tentacles before moving the prey into their oral cavity. Starfish. Starfish. A sea star or starfish is a small animal in the ocean. It grows to a length of 5 to 10 inches or 12 to 25 centimeters. And weight, 0.1 to 11 pounds. Its body shape is 5 or more arms and tube feet for locomotion and feeding. Starfish eject their stomachs to digest prey externally, typically feeding on clams and oysters. Squid. Squid. Squid is 1 inch to 43 feet in length or 2.5 centimeters to 13 meters depending on their species. It is from 1 pound to 1 ton. It has an elongated body, 8 arms, and 2 tentacles with hooks or suckers. Squids use their tentacles to catch prey and their beak to tear it apart. Walrus. Walrus. It is the biggest animal in the ocean. It grows to a length of 10 to 12 feet or 3 to 3.6 meters. It weighs between 1,700 to 3,700 pounds, which is measured in kg 770 to 1,700. Walrus is long tusks, whiskers, and a thick layer of blubber. Walruses suck the meat out of mollusks using their strong suction abilities after breaking their shells. Otter. 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 Size 2 to 5 feet or 0.6 to 1.5 meters. And weight is 10 to 100 pounds or 4.5 to 45 kilograms. Otter with thick fur for warmth, webbed feet for swimming, and playful behavior. Otters are carnivorous and use their agile paws to catch fish, shellfish, and other aquatic creatures. They crack open shellfish using stones. Seahorse. Seahorse. Seahorse is a small animal in the ocean. Like its size, 0.6 to 14 inches, and its weight, less than 0.1 pounds or few grams. Horse-like head, prehensile tail, and males carry the offspring in a specialized pouch. Seahorses suck in tiny plankton and small crustaceans using their tube-like snouts. Penguin. 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 It grows to a length of 15 inches to 4 feet or 38 centimeters to 1.2 meters. And it weighs between 2 to 90 pounds. Penguin is flightless birds with waterproof feathers and excellent swimming ability. Penguins swallow small fish, krill, and squid whole while swimming. Tang. Tang. Tang is a small fish in the sea. Its size, 6 to 15 inches or 5 to 38 centimeters. And weight is 1 to 3 pounds. This fish has vibrant colors and sharp spines near their tails for defense. Tangs are herbivorous and graze on algae growing on coral and rocks. Crab. Crab. Crab size is 0.5 inches to 13 feet and weight up to 44 pounds or 20 kilograms. Its shape is hard exoskeleton, pincers, and sideways walking. Crabs are omnivores that use their pincers to break apart food, including algae, mollusks, and small fish. Clam. Clam. Clam is a small sea animal. Its size 3 to 5 inches or 7.5 to 13 centimeters. Weight about 0.5 to 1 pound. It has two hinged shells and a muscular foot for burrowing. Clams are filter feeders, drawing in water and extracting plankton and nutrients. Stingray. Stingray. Stingrays are among the medium-sized animals in the ocean. Size like 1 to 16 feet or 0.3 to 5 meters across the wingspan. And its weight up to 790 pounds. It is a flattened body with a long tail with venomous spines. Stingrays use their mouths on the underside of their bodies to suck up mollusks and crustaceans from the seafloor. Grouper fish. Grouper fish. It grows to a length of 1 to 9 feet or 0.3 to 2.7 meters. Weight is up to 880 pounds. It has a big mouth for gulping prey with a robust body. Groupers are carnivorous and ambush prey by sucking them in whole. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is one of the largest water animals. Its size between 10 to 16 feet or 3 to 5 meters. Weight like 3,000 to 9,000 pounds measured in kg 1,400 to 4,000. Hippopotamuses are amphibious mammals with large mouths and thick skin. Hippopotamuses are herbivorous and graze on grasses on land. Cleaner fish. Cleaner fish. Cleaner fish or wrasse is a small animal in the ocean. It grows from 2 to 6 inches or 5 to 15 centimeters. Cleaner fish weight less than 1 pound. It is a bright-colored fish, known for cleaning parasites of other fish. Cleaner fish feed on parasites, dead skin, and mucus from larger fish. Lionfish. Lionfish. Lionfish are stunning yet dangerous marine fish known for their beautiful striped patterns and venomous spines. It grows to a length of 6 to 18 inches or 15 to 45 centimeters and weight up to 2.6 pounds. Lionfish has a striking striped appearance with venomous spines. Lionfish are carnivorous and use their wide mouths to ambush and swallow small fish and invertebrates. Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile is one of the largest water animals. Its size is 6 to 23 feet measured in meters 1.8 to 7. It weighs between 150 to 2,200 pounds or 68 to 1,000 kilograms. It has powerful jaws, armored bodies, and webbed feet. Crocodiles are ambush predators that drag prey underwater and tear it apart using a twisting motion. Hermit crab. Hermit crab. Hermit crab size is 0.5 to 12 inches or 1.2 centimeter to 30 centimeters. Its weight up to 10 pounds or 4.5 kilograms. This crab has a soft abdomen, is protected by a borrowed shell, and has multiple legs for crawling. Hermit crabs are omnivorous scavengers that feed on algae, small animals, and organic debris. Anglefish. Anglefish. Angelfish. Its size to 12 inches or 5 to 30 centimeters. Weight up to 2 pounds. It looks beautiful with vibrant colors and elegant, triangular fins. It feeds on algae, omnivores, plankton, and small invertebrates. Sea slug. Sea slug. A sea slug is a small animal in the ocean. It grows to a length of 0.25 to 12 inches or 0.6 to 30 centimeters. Sea slug is a very light animal, that's why a few grams weight of it. It is a soft animal with colorful bodies often covered in elaborate frills. It feeds algae, sponges, and other small marine organisms, sometimes absorbing toxins for defense. Betta fish. Betta fish. Betta fish or fighting fish. Betta fish is a little animal in the ocean. It has another name like fighting fish. It is from 2 to 3 inches or 5 to 8 centimeters. A few grams weight of it. It has long, flowing fins and vibrant colors. Males are territorial. Betta fish, feeding on insects, carnivores, and larvae at the water's surface. Sea snake. Sea snake. Sea snakes are among the medium-sized animals in the ocean. It is from 3 to 9 feet measured in meters 1 to 2.7. Weight is up to 4 pounds. Sea snake has a paddle-like tail for swimming and venomous fangs. It feeds on fish and eels, immobilizing prey with venom. Cowfish. Cowfish. A cowfish is a small animal in the ocean. It grows to a length of 4 to 20 inches or 10 to 50 centimeters. And weight is up to 5 pounds. Cowfish has a box-shaped body with horn-like projections. It feeds on algae, crustaceans, and small invertebrates by grazing on the seafloor. Flounder. Flounder. Flounder grows from 15 centimeters to 1 meter. Its weight up to 26 pounds. Flounder is a flat-bodied fish and with both eyes on one side. This ocean fish eats carnivorous, lying camouflaged on the seafloor to ambush small fish and invertebrates. Butterfly fish. Butterfly fish. Butterfly fish is a small animal in the ocean. It is from 4 to 9 inches or 10 to 23 centimeters. This fish up to 1 pound. Butterfly fish is brightly colored with vertical stripes and a thin, disc-shaped body. It feeds on coral polyps, algae, and small invertebrates. Garden eel. Garden eel. Garden eel is a small snake or eel in the ocean. It grows to a length of 1 to 3 feet measured in meters 0.3 to 1. A few grams weights of it. It has a long, slender body that stays partially buried in sand. Garden eel eat filter feeds on plankton drifting in ocean currents. Clownfish. Clownfish. Clownfish is a small fish in the ocean. Its size, 3 to 6 inches measured in cm 7 to 15. This fish is a few grams. Clownfish is a bright orange with white bands colored fish and immune to anemone stings. It feeds on algae, plankton, and leftovers from anemones. Axolotl. Axolotl. It is a small animal in the ocean. Axolotl grows from 6 to 18 inches or 15 to 45 centimeters. It weighs between 56 to 227 grams. Axolotl has external gills and the ability to regenerate body parts. Sturgeon. Sturgeon. Sturgeons are among the medium-sized animals in the ocean. It grows to a length of 7 to 12 feet or to 3.5 meters and weight up to 2,400 pounds. Sturgeon is an ancient bony fish with elongated bodies and barbels near its mouth. It is a bottom feeder animal, using its barbels to locate prey like shellfish and small fish. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. Sea urchin is a little animal in the marine. Its sizes are small like 1 to 4 inches or 2.5 to 10 centimeters. Sea urchin weight up to 1 pound. Its shape is round and spiny bodies for protection. It feeds on algae by scraping surfaces with a specialized mouthpart called Aristotle's lantern. Sea anemone. Sea anemone. Sea anemones are fascinating marine creatures resembling colorful underwater flowers. Despite their appearance, they are predatory animals related to jellyfish and corals. It is from 1 inch to 6 feet or 2.5 centimeters to 1.8 meters. It has tentacles with stinging cells used to capture prey. It immobilizes prey with stinging tentacles and brings it to its central mouth. Puffer fish. Puffer fish. Puffer fish, also known as blowfish. They are famous for their ability to puff up when threatened and their potent toxicity. They are found in tropical and subtropical ocean waters. It is from 1 inch to 3 feet. Weight up to 30 pounds. It can inflate its bodies and contain toxic tetrodotoxin. Puffer fish crush hard-shelled prey like crustaceans using their strong teeth. School of fish. School of fish. A school of fish is a large, coordinated group of fish swimming together in a synchronized and organized manner. Schools offer various survival advantages such as protection from predators, efficient foraging, and streamlined travel through water. Size depending on species. School of fish feeds collectively on plankton, algae, or other prey depending on the species. Moray eel. Moray eel. Moray eels are among the medium-sized animals in the ocean. It grows to a length of 4 to 13 feet or 1.2 to 4 meters. and weight up to 70 pounds. This seal has a long, muscular body and sharp teeth, often hides in crevices. It is an ambush predator that latches onto prey with its powerful snail. Snail. A snail is a small animal in the ocean. It is from 0.1 inch to 12 inches or 0.25 to 30 centimeters. Snail weight depends on species. It has a spiral shell and a muscular foot for locomotion. Snail use a radula to scrape algae or consume small prey. Red salmon. Red salmon. Red salmon is known as sockeye salmon. It grows to a length of 18 to 33 inches or 6 to 84 centimeters. Weights between 4 to 15 pounds. It has a bright red coloration during spawning. It is feeding on plankton, krill, and small carnivores. Lookdown fish. Lookdown fish. The lookdown fish is a fascinating and distinctive marine species named for its unusual head shape, which makes it look as though it is looking down. They are known for their shimmering, metallic appearance and flat, disc-shaped bodies. Its size, 1 to 2 feet or 30 to 61 centimeters. And weight, up to 4 pounds. Pseudobasiros. Pseudobasiros. Pseudobasiros grows from 0.5 to 4 inches or 1.2 to 10 centimeters. And a few grams of weight. It has a vibrant colored, soft, flat bodies. Whale. Whale. Whales are the largest mammals on Earth, ranging from the giant blue whale to smaller species like the minke whale. Whale is 30 feet to 100 feet in length measured in meters 8 to 30. And weight from 20,000 pounds to 330,000 pounds or 9,000 kilograms to 150,000 kilograms. Some whales consume krill, squid, plankton, and small fish. Blue whales can eat up to 4 tons of krill per day and sperm whales dive deep to hunt giant squid. A whale is a highly social and intelligent marine animal. It is often communicated through complex vocalizations like songs and clicks. Pteropogone codornis. Pteropogone codornis. It is known as Bungay cardinalfish. Size, up to 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters in length. Weight, less than 0.1 pounds, a few grams. Bungay cardinalfish has a silver body with black vertical stripes. They have an elongated, elegant appearance with a forked tail.